The day after, the night before, when the Hurricane Beryl hit the Caribbean, here in Martinique, the beaches have been closed off because the water went straight up right onto the streets. As you can see here, this beach is not a soul in sight, no boats. Only a few chicken left, and obviously that one tourist who hasn't understood a thing about being on holiday in Martinique in the tropical season. You're not supposed to be on the beach sunbathing. One restaurant still standing, Numa. One boat has been capsized. All the boats were told to leave. This one stayed. It's like the Titanic. Life goes on for some. The street artist is just sitting there tagging away. Beautiful art that she's doing. Even the animals and insects and seafood. Look at this. A little crab here, frightened for his life. I kill you. Life goes on for some, just singing away, playing music. That's beautiful to see. So this is the basketball court. As you can see, it was completely covered by water, mud everywhere. They're trying to get rid of it. The homeless guy who didn't lose a wink of sleep. Look at the state of this, the beautiful boardwalk where we'd have like the sunset and even the sunrise in the morning now is all broken. All the restaurants along the beach have been closed off. This poor pigeon is just sitting there, probably can't fly anymore. As you can see, you've got that ice cream parlour, Ben & Jerry's, you've got Wanted, Tiki Beach, all closed down for the moment. It is quite a scary sight.